Okay, and welcome back to another moto vlog. You join me on an absolutely dismal day. It's rained and you know it's not too cold, it's quite mild, but it's grey and it's horrible. But yeah, we're back doing another moto vlog. It's actually been a while, so yeah, I decided to come out on a little bit more dire of a day, just because I just really wanted to get out a moto vlog, you know, get a video up on the channel that isn't as short. Yeah, so here we are on the Z800 as always, kind of feeling a bit of an idiot because we've got semi-slicks on this tyre and I'm riding in these conditions, so I've really only got myself to blame if I end up coming off. But with that given, I am just going to be chilling, you know. It's so slippy with this tyre that I'm just chilling. I'm stuck behind Honda Jazzes and Citroen C1s or whatever that is, you know. See if we can get past them. I'm definitely not going to be like passing cars on bends, that kind of thing, because it's just too sketchy. Oh look, some friends. Hello. You're all brave as well, even though you're on 125s. Yeah, disgusting out, but you know, not much else to do when it's weather like this except ride or sit indoors and edit. So I thought, you know, I'm just going to get out. I'm just going to get out there, have a nice chill one, have a chat, that kind of thing. I'm also testing a new microphone setup today. I've got wireless mics that are also 32-bit float like my other ones. Maybe you can hear a difference, maybe you can't. I do quite a lot of like post-processing on audio anyway, so like there is a chance that it will just sound the same. But yeah, I'm just testing these out in case I want to actually buy them. Might line them up for a cheeky Christmas present, you know. But yeah, gonna test them out because I've got a normal one. It's like a lav mic. It's like a mic on a wire that's in my helmet. That's connected to a little mic in my pocket. These are the Rode Wireless Pros, by the way. And there's 2 transmitters, 1 receiver. And then the other one is not with a lav mic because they've got their own little onboard mics. That's sat in under the seat hump of the bike, which the only problem with that is it seemed like it was, because I couldn't turn down the gain much on it, it seemed like it was just picking up so much noise that it was going to sound shit. But apparently 32-bit float can save that, so it should sound alright, but we'll see. But yeah, Rode Wireless Pros, and the cool thing about it is obviously no wires except the one that's going from my my pocket to my helmet, and I can actually start and stop the recording for both of the transmitters on the recorder itself, because they record internally, which is also awesome. So you don't have to plug them into anything. And yeah, you just press a button and they both start. You can stop it, you can monitor it. Like I was going to have it up here, but I didn't want to see it go flying off because it's only held on by a little clip. So yeah, they're pretty cool. I'm hoping that they work out nicely because I do want to buy them just for their convenience of like being able to stop and start them, not having wires, not having to take my bag off and put them in, that kind of stuff. Hate this junction. So we've got to go so fucking slow. If there's any diesel, anything like that on the road, which I can see some there. And there. Diesel, petrol, whatever. Another thing, yeah. Diesel, very slippy. These fucking leaves, also fucking slippy. Ugh. Crossing them is horrible. I hope that these people move out the way. Oh, hello, friend. You're silly sitting there. You could be filtering up here with me, chap. At the front with this lorry. You know, is he going to come join me? That'd be cute. There's only a 125, but I thought that the roads might have dried up already. You know, it's not rained since this morning. It's like 14 degrees. I thought, oh yeah, they'll be dry. It'll be great. I'll go out and do a vlog. No, soaking wet. Not great. But another thing I'm doing today is I'm actually going to film with a friend. Oh, friend, you know. And we're going to be just taking some shots of the bikes. He wanted me to get a photo of him mid-wheelie. I'll link his stuff in the caption, but his @ is that one rider. You might have recognised him from Instagram, TikTok. It's got way more followers than me on there. And he has this awesome wheelie photo on his R1. I think it's like a 2019 R1, so it's the new cross-plane engine one, blah, blah, blah. Super cool looking bike. And he's got a wheelie photo on there. So yeah, we're going to try and get one of him doing a wheelie on his MT9. Arguably easier to wheelie. Oh look, my little friend's joining me. Let me move up for him. You might see, oh, he's got GoPros. So, go geezer. Yeah man, how you doing? Yeah, not too bad, thank you. the camera saw it, unlucky mate. Bless him, stalled it. Right, we're off. I can't remember what I was talking about. Something wheelie photo R1, but MT9. So he's going to be getting that on his MT9, basically. I'm going to be getting that on my camera on the S5 2X. I'm not that great with photos, you know. I mainly bought the camera for video, but it can do some pretty awesome photos. So we'll be doing it, getting photos as well. If I've shot and edited the photo before doing this vlog, I'll put it in, but if not, I will link my socials, which is where it will most likely be. But yeah, I'm gonna meet him in like 20 minutes, so like plenty of time to vlog, you know. It's quite nice, this little I have no idea what the bike is. I want to say it's like a Chinese bike, I don't know, but it's a 125, I can tell you that. He's just chilling with me. I'll give him a little razz. Not too much, because I'm going to end up spinning the back wheels, which is not fun. But yeah, headed into Fleet High Street. I'm going to go along the High Street. I think I'm going to go along to Camberley. Basically, because these are these are straight roads, you know, that a lot of people have been driving on. They're going to be free of leaves and shit, and they're not going to be too horrible and slippy. So, and plus, I kind of want to get more into, you know, when I'm vlogging. Just going to get past this car. Ugh, going over them bumps was disgusting. Yeah, I kind of want to get more into vlogging in like busier places, because I feel like you just get more interactions, and there's just more going on in places like that. Like, I wanted to do like vlogs and shit in London, because that's just where you're going to get the best content. But like I work in London once a week. I go into the office once a week, so I could vlog on the way up then, but it's going to be like majority of that is going to be M3 and M25, so it's not actually that interesting to get into the town centre itself. But the problem is it's just shit riding in London, you know, especially when you've got loads of like bike thieves about. They want to nick your bike, that kind of stuff, and like everywhere's a 20, it's Eulers, all that shite. So thinking about it, but yeah, because a lot of the like vloggers I see, what's his face, Harvey rides bikes, and I want to say it's Moto Gym. I feel like a lot of their content is like in city centres, so it is just a bit more interesting. Oh, what is it? Oh, it's a Yamaha. Nice. I wasn't sure what it was. So, yeah, I'm going right at you. Yeah, I'll follow you. I want to hear it. Is this a right? Let him go first. Oh yeah. Want to hear if it bangs. He's just revving the shit out of it. Oh, that's funny. I feel like 125 riders, it's just so funny, you know, because they're so young, they're so, like, I mean, they're probably like 17, 18, they just fuck around. It's quite funny. Yeah, you rev it up. Go on, rip it. He's giving it some. That's funny. Everyone looking at him as he's going past. That's funny. Alright, my lid's been opened. I'm probably getting loads of wind noise. It's kind of brightened up a bit. This is good. But yeah, I don't even know how long we've been going for. But yeah, going back to taking photos with my friend, I'm basically, yeah, just trying to branch out, you know, make loads of connections here and there, and just network with a lot of people. I've had some really cool creators message me who are on the scene asking, like, let's shoot, let's do this, let's collab. Because I think that's mainly stemmed from a post I put out on my TikTok. Still revving it. He's jawking it about. Yeah, go on, son. See if he'll top it out. Ah, and the no-hander. He's cool. That's a cool dude right there. Even if he's got an L plate. I might fly by him in a minute just for the shits and gigs. Yeah, just wanting to collab, and I think that's mainly stemmed from a post I put out on my TikTok, which I'll put up now. Just saying, I've got a new camera, blah blah blah. Here's some shots I've taken. I want to shoot with other people. Let's do it. And then yeah, from that I've had loads of people reaching out, basically just wanting to shoot, that kind of thing. So, which is really helpful for me to kind of wanting to grow my channel and, you know, grow my connections, that kind of stuff. Because I would love to do this kind of stuff full time. Obviously, I've got like fuck all subscribers, so that's not happening anytime soon. But you know, on socials, you know, it only takes like one banger video, and then your channel's popping off, that kind of stuff. So I guess I'm hoping for that. But at the moment, we're just steadily growing. My TikTok's doing really well as well. That's almost on about 4,000 followers on there. So that's really cool. Oh, he's exhausted a bang. That's pretty cool as well. Right, is he going straight? Oh, I'll stick with this guy. He's making me laugh. He didn't look right at that roundabout. That Hyundai could have flattened him. Don't worry, boy, I'll catch up. I'll be with ya. I think I know where I'm going. I'm basically doing one big loop back to where I sent my mate the address for filming. So yeah, basically, if you also watch this video and like you recognise the area, blah blah blah, that kind of thing, hit me up on my Insta or on my TikTok, and we'll go for a little ride, that kind of thing. Take photos. Always up for meeting people, you know. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you doing? You've made it this far and you've not subscribed. Come on. I'm trying to. I'd love to get to 1k subs by the end of the year, but I don't think that's going to happen unless one of my videos pops off. But I think the most views I've ever gotten on a YouTube vlog ride video has been like 4,000 or something. So, you know, it's something, but it's not like, it's not amazing. Oh, I hate crossing those white lines. They're so sketchy, so horrible. You can clearly tell, like, that I do not ride in all weathers, because my confidence in the wet is shocking. It is probably because of these tyres, but you know, you can tell, like, kids like this, he rides that bike every day. Rain or shine, he don't give a fuck. But yeah, I think confidence in tyres is one thing, you know. Like, I have full confidence in these tyres in the dry, and like when they're up to temp, but literally zero confidence in the wet. They are just horrible. It's a noisy boy. Huh? It sounds pretty good, yeah. What is it? Is it a Scorpion? It's good, man. It sounds all right. As far as 125s go, it sounds all right. I've definitely heard louder. I think the loudest ones are usually like the Yamaha YZFs. They're always fucking noisy. I see them bombing it past. And I'm gonna basically cut the vlog here, but then I will start it again when I've reached my destination. Alright, we are at our vlog spot. So I'm gonna careful of these leaves. through. Oh, the fucking state of my bike. What the fuck? I just chat to this guy. What's your name, man? Jack, nice to meet you, bro. Let me just cut my vlog here real quick.